Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download a SmartWatch app on your mobile phone. So let's begin. So first of all, you just need to go on app section, and here you can find the apps or QR code app on here. So here you can see here is showing QR code. Simply tap over it and right now select scan to download. And then if you see, this QR code is for this SmartWatch app, so you can easily download from your mobile phone. So simply I just open my mobile phone scanner, and right now I just need to scan this. So here you can see, after a scan, here you can see open in browser. Right now you just need to select Android download, and here select install, and then you just need to wait for complete downloading. So guys, right now you can see this app already downloaded on my phone. So if I just open my phone, here you can see here is showing the SmartWatch app on my mobile. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.